At Stakelum's, we're constantly looking for ways to improve our customers' experience. Our business is as diverse as the needs of our customers, spanning across our work, learn and play range. Recently, we've given our website a makeover, transforming it into a lively platform where our customers can seamlessly explore our product offerings, immerse themselves in our engaging content, and take advantage of our latest offers. For our valued corporate clients with business accounts seeking office supplies and everything business related, simply click this button to enter our exclusive business suite. Our reputation extends nationwide as a trusted provider of first-class service in office furniture and installation. If you're looking to shop for corporate furniture tailored to suit businesses of any size, access our full corporate furniture range effortlessly through this button. And of course, we're more than just an online presence. Feel free to give us a call, drop us an email, or send us a message on any of our social media platforms. At Stakelum's, connecting with our customers is a priority. We're here to assist you every step of the way along life's journey.